Everyone, special thank you to Gina in Monterey, California. Big Sur. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the licensed optician behind the lens today. My name is C. More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you see Mo Better look and Mo Better and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. When I show you Gina's own silhouettes that she sent me, it's model number 7642, color 6051. It has these lenses in there that are almost discolored yellow from wherever she had bought them from. She wanted a more newer, more modern shape. This was too rounded. So she went with shape EW in the 51 eye size. She got, this is a last minute video. Yes, you're going to get the 8x11 piece of paper, but I left that with the box next to the printer. She got the Zeiss Light D digital freeform progressive lenses, 167 high index lens material, PhotoFusion blue, the premium Duravision Platinum anti-glare coating. I've highlighted prescription for the right eye, same for the left. You're going to get the Zeiss cleaning cloth, my premium microfiber cloth, and instructions not only on how to care for your frame and lenses, but for the case and the cleaning cloths as well. So this is what they look like now. This blue and gold is going to be real nice with the white temples on there. So let me just go ahead and show you what they look like, shall we? Now, as you can see, hang on, I saw some sawdust. As you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute, minute 15. Now, Gina and everyone else, pay attention. All photochromic lenses get dark on day one and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work perfectly is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day. And that's why they don't get 100% dark behind a windshield. I love that blue. Now, if her sky is not blue enough already in Big Sur, California, it's about to be. Now, the nice thing about, okay, let me finish up. The other thing about photochromic lenses, they're temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable, nobody or nothing works 100%. When it's 100 degrees outside, we all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, there is the Zeiss PhotoFusion Extra Gray, designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside. But the Zeiss PhotoFusion Gray, Brown, Green, or Blue seen here adds $99. The PhotoFusion Extra Gray is $129. It costs more because it does more. The other nice thing about photochromic lenses is they're the original blue blocking lenses, so they will block over 50% of the harmful blue light emitted from today's electronic devices such as cell phones, tablets, computer screens, and block over 95% of the harmful blue light outdoors. What was I going to say? So this new generation turns faster than any other lens on the market, regardless of brand. They also will get up to 30% dark behind a windshield, whereas the lenses a year or two ago did nothing. These will get 30 to 50% dark behind a windshield. The PhotoFusion Extra Gray will get up to 50% dark. So that is it. If you have any questions, go to the Contact Us page of the website. Email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. You can call Jigsaw and my partner / apprentice at 919-491-2411, which is what Gina did because she wanted to change silhouettes not on the website for multiple reasons, so you just have to give us a call. The biggest thing is they make hundreds of shapes of lenses, hundreds of sizes. So that, well, each shape comes with 2 or 3 sizes. So that's how they come up with hundreds of sizes. But just tell us what shape you want. She went into a store, tried on the EW, the one I call and that's what this one is. It comes in 2 sizes. She went with the larger, the 51 eye size versus the 49. But we can customize any silhouette shape for you, this way, this way. If you're a big guy, we can make the lens as big as you need to for them to fit. So do us a favor, subscribe if you haven't done already. Click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination. I don't think I've cut lenses for this silhouette. What model is this again? The silhouette, of course, is made in Austria. Silhouette 7642. Yeah, so again, Gina and Big Sur, Monterey, California. Thank you so much for the purchase of the Zeiss Light D. digital freeform progressive lenses, the 167 high index. She's got a strong prescription, so that was able to thin out her lenses. The PhotoFusion Blue with the premium Duravision Platinum anti-glare coating. Click on the link above to go to the website. I'm seeing more better. Gina's going to be seeing more better. Now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.